everybody? Jamin Porter here from Bell on the Faith Ministries. I'm 1,500 feet inside of a 66-inch pipe in Elk Road, California, under the roadway. I got an excavator above me, packing dirt, and I can feel him above me. Scary. But anyway, I got a welder behind me, welding up the joints on these pipes. Let me show you what it's like with the lights on. Be a welding inspector and you can't be good with this, don't even attempt it, because I mean it's a little nerve-wracking in here. I got an exhaust fan blowing into me, but anyway, yeah, this is what it's all about. Let me kind of show you what he's doing down here. There it is there. That's what it's all about. God bless.